My dear students, I am going to explain you the relation between the resistance and cross-sectional area. There is inverse relation between them. Inverse relation means more is the cross-sectional area, less is the resistance. And less is the cross-sectional area, more is the resistance. Now suppose thickness of the wire is much. That means it is very much thick. If it is very much thick, then cross-sectional area will be much. So in that case, resistance will be less because there is inverse relation. Now, if the wire is very much thin, that means thickness is very less. In that case, what you find? Cross-sectional area will be less. And due to the inverse relation, resistance will be high. Because thickness is less, so cross-sectional area will be also less, and so the resistance will be much high, much more, because of inverse relation between the resistance and the cross-sectional area of the conducting wire. So this thing always you have to keep in mind. Much the thickness, less will be the resistance, and less the thickness, much will be the resistance. Okay, so you have to keep in mind there is inverse relation between the resistance and the cross-sectional area of the conducting wire. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.